Hello everyone. In the last video, we talked about what is philosophy and about its various major branches. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at one of those branches, metaphysics. Metaphysics is basically the study or the exploration of the fundamental nature of reality, like what really exists and what it really means to exist. It concentrates on concepts beyond the realm of physics and tries to answer questions that lie beneath the surface of everyday experience and empirical science dealing with the ultimate structure of the world. In other words, metaphysics tries to solve and explain the mysteries surrounding our existence and factors that can't be explained scientifically. Before we dive deeper, let's see where the word metaphysics actually originates from. The word metaphysics originates from ancient Greek and has two parts: meta, which means after or beyond, and physica, which means things in nature. This is also where the word physics originates from. But here's the twist: it wasn't originally intended to mean beyond nature in a mystical sense. Around the 1st century BCE, a Greek scholar named Andronicus of Rhodes was organizing the works of the Greek philosopher Aristotle. Aristotle had written a set of books about nature titled Physics and another set about the most general principles of reality. Andronicus placed the second set of books after the Physics in the collection. So he called them ta meta ta physica, literally meaning the things after the physics. Over time, people began to interpret that phrase as referring to subjects beyond the physical world, and that's how metaphysics became the name for the study of the ultimate nature of reality. Interestingly, Aristotle himself never used the word metaphysics. He called this subject first philosophy because he believed it studied the most fundamental truths, the ones on which all the other sciences depend. So, what does metaphysics cover today? Traditionally, it's divided into few core topics. Let's see what they are. Ontology, the study of being and existence. It asks questions like what kinds of things are real? Do numbers or thoughts exist in the same way as physical objects? It's basically about figuring out what really exists in the world. Identity and change explores how something can stay the same while changing over time. For instance, if you replace the parts of a ship piece by piece, is it still the same ship? Metaphysics helps us understand the puzzles of continuity and transformation. Causation, the study of cause and effect. Why does one event lead to another? If you push a ball, it rolls. But metaphysics digs deeper. What does it really mean for one thing to cause another? Space and time looks at the stage where everything happens. Are space and time just ways we describe relationships between objects, or do they exist independently? It's about understanding the structure of reality itself. Possibility and necessity, the study of what could be true versus what must be true. For example, it's possible for you to have worn a different shirt today, but it's necessary that 2 plus 2 equals 4. Metaphysics examines the difference between things that might happen and things that cannot be otherwise. These are the various types of topics covered in metaphysics. Metaphysics lays the foundation on which various other branches of philosophy and even sciences are built. For example, ethics depends on the belief on whether human beings have free will or not. In the same way, science makes certain metaphysical assumptions about causation and other laws of nature. Even the everyday belief that I am the same person I was yesterday rests on metaphysical ideas. In short, metaphysics is the branch of philosophy that tries to see the big picture, the ultimate framework of reality itself. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching this video. I'll be talking about another branch in the next video. Till then, goodbye.